Hey, you guys, hope you guys are having a fantastic Friday. Let's jump right into the tip of the day. Okay, today I'm going to talk about what not to do while you're getting your credit restored. Okay, I want you guys to listen and listen closely. And if you need to, maybe you need to take some notes. All right. You get someone to restore your credit and you pay $500, $1,000, $1,500, whatever the price it is. Listen, what you don't need to do is run your credit. Do not do anything with your credit. So if you're getting your credit restored for 6 months, then you don't need to use your credit for anything. You don't need to throw it in the bag. You don't need to apply for new credit. You don't need to do anything but pay your bills, pay them on time. And if you have credit cards, pay those credit cards down to 30%, okay? Because I'm telling you, y'all, I see so many people throwing money away because soon as they see their credit score jump 50 points, they want to go and get new credit. Don't do that. Wait until the credit restores, gives you the green light and say, hey, Melinda, you are now done with my program. So now you can go apply for a home loan or go buy your car or go get credit cards. Just stop doing this, y'all. Like, I see so many people get their credit repaired and you go back and you do the same thing. That's insane. And that's crazy to throw money away. Just have some type of discipline, some type of self-control. I know it's hard and I know we like to spend money, but listen, you got to be smart with your money. So if you're going to pay someone to restore your credit, and if you're going to be in their program for 3 months to a year, however long it takes, you don't need to use your credit. If you know you got a bankruptcy, repossession, foreclosure, bad debts, collections, that's going to take some time, y'all. These credit restorers are some awesome guys and gals, but they are not superheroes. So if if you're paying someone to restore your credit, do us a favor. Do not use your credit. I'm being so serious. Wait until he or she has completely restored your credit. Until I got a 720. And if you're good with that, then great. All right, you guys. I will talk to you next week with my tip of the day. Bye. Happy Friday.